How to get Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Spotify Premium on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is not opening up your Spotify. If you do have the app, it's completely alright. You can use that as well to see all of the plans and services that Spotify has. But to buy a Spotify Premium, you will need to actually use the browser version. So for that, you can head over to a browser, simply search for spotify.com, and it will take you to Spotify's website. After you're on your Spotify's website, make sure that you log in into your account. Then tap on the Get Premium option, and now you can see different plans of Spotify. Tap on View All Plans, and there you will see different options. As you can see right here, there are different plans for different time. For a month, you can even get it for free. And after you find a plan that you like, you can tap on Try for 1 month, and then you'll have to just go through with the payment method, and you're basically good to go. And that is how you can get Spotify Premium on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.